All right, here we go with the February 12th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Had a progressively milder weekend and a very wet weekend as well. In fact, we wound up Sunday afternoon with highs that looked like that across the region. Very warm conditions. A lot of 70s on the board as you got into the eastern half of North and South Carolina. Even Burlington at 73 and Asheboro at 70. Albemarle 71. Wadesboro 73, almost 70. Gastonia and Charlotte, it did hit 70 in Concord, and even up in the mountains, mild Sunday. Boone and Jefferson at 60 degrees for a high. There's your Greensboro Tower camera during the 5 a.m. hour. Clouds, light rain, drizzle, temperature very mild, 62. Still a southwest wind in place. That will completely reverse and switch around to a northeasterly wind direction as we get into this afternoon and even this morning in the northern half of North Carolina. There's the Charlotte Dowd YMCA camera, mild there too, temperature 62. Again, southwest wind in place. So it's mild this morning. These are your 5 a.m. temperatures, 50s in the mountains, 60s in most other spots across the region. Radar showing us some light rain, some drizzle out there in some spots. Thunderstorms closer to the coast, moving through Pamlico Sound early this morning. And those have been heading offshore from Wilmington and Myrtle Beach. Generally light rain, drizzle over a lot of the Piedmont foothills and mountain zones, and even a couple sleet pellets behind the front back into North Mississippi, Alabama, Middle Tennessee, and parts of Kentucky. Still a messy go of it over the eastern part of the country. A lot of clouds, some precipitation, pretty widespread. But check out Futurecast here. That precipitation exits. Let's start this over again. Here we go. Today, precipitation tapering off. Tomorrow looks pretty quiet. Excuse me. I think most of Wednesday pretty quiet as well before the next slug of moisture approaches from the west. Now, we take a look at temperatures this morning. Look at the northern plains. Boy, it's brutal. 12 below in Great Falls and Bismarck, 2 in Minneapolis, 6 in Chicago. And we'll have a northeasterly flow set up shop here across the Carolinas today as one of our cold air damming or wedging scenarios unfolds for us. Check out Futurecast here. This is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. today. And you can see those temperatures kind of heading the wrong way in many spots in the Carolinas as that wedge sets up shop. So northeasterly flow as this low pressure and cold front sag to the south. A lot of clouds, some light rain, some drizzle remaining a possibility for us. Your temperatures today look like that. That's your highs this morning in North Carolina. Timing a little slower in South Carolina. So as we head on into tonight, it's going to be chilly. Much cooler, at least, than what we had over the past couple of days. All right, there's your setup Tuesday. It's going to be a cool day. Clouds, northeasterly flow, temperatures really held in check, and actually some of these numbers may even be a little bit optimistic for highs Tuesday afternoon. You get the idea. A much, much cooler day. A little milder on Wednesday. Futurecast wants to bring this next shower chance in during the day Wednesday. Can't rule that out. I'm favoring at this point a little slower timing, maybe Wednesday late afternoon into the evening. The next round of some showers arrives. Now there's your highs on Wednesday afternoon. Very warm setup for Thursday as we await the next cold front. So Thursday, our highs likely pushing well into the 70s across the region, and we probably get 70s in many spots Friday too due to the timing of this front. But late Friday, Friday night, some showers with the frontal passage, and then this time around, that front sags far enough to the south that I think a much brighter weekend is on tap this weekend compared to last. All right, let me show you the GFS computer model here. Excuse me. Now this is Friday. Notice it is much quicker with the timing of that front compared to the European where it's a little slower. This is the same time, late Friday. So the European would have a warmer day Friday. It'd be a little cooler on the GFS due to the timing of that next frontal boundary. And just as for instance, I mentioned the warm air. There's Thursday. Man, what a warm day around the region with many highs well into the 70s. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.